fucking slick. Wah! Oh yeah, I had to stand up in that. That's getting rough. Dude, I want to let you go, man. No need for that kind of shit. I'd let you go. Woo, don't get yourself thrown off. Oh yeah. Who knows if that was faster or not? See, so what are you doing going around the extreme section? Nobody's jumping this shit because they're so sketchy. That's alright. I can only hope that I get in front of them again because they're doing the extreme section. Whoa, wrong gear. Ah, well, there's a hole and I put my boot right in it. That sucks. Alright, better that time, huh? Oh yeah, woo. Got some tree to come with me. Whoa, alright! God. Oh, I hate this shit. Oh, come on, David! Oh shit, me too! That's what you get.
I hope you guys enjoyed following me around the Storrie Family Farm for the last time that they're ever going to have a race out there. Unfortunately, the family farm has sold, and this was the last race that was to be held on the property. It was so much fun to head out there. I hope you noticed right there in the background, that's me on the cement culvert, whatever you want to call it. That thing was pretty sketchy. Seriously though, thank you for all the memories, Brian Storrie and the Storrie family. We really appreciate everything you guys have done. I've only been in Texas since '02, riding dirt bikes again since '06, but I've been out there many a times since then, and I really appreciate it. So thank you guys. If you guys are looking forward to some more videos to come, I've got the flooring done for the moto van, so that video is going to be coming out. Woody and Liam go riding, so if you saw the video on Instagram of Liam crashing, that full video will be coming out soon, and many more, of course. I've got a couple parts that I'm putting on the Sherco and what's going to be going on there. So thank you guys. If you've enjoyed this, remember, please subscribe. Always give it a thumbs up, and while you're on the internet, enjoy a pint full of awesome, and if nothing else, see you on the internet. Bye!